Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build exhaust system for my Lexus Ls400. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you what I have. Of course it's not everything that I have, but the most part of components right here on this table. So I'm gonna use these two big mufflers, Vibrant Performance, 2.5 inches. It's enough for one UZ. If you don't know, Lexus Ls400 has a V8 engine, one UZ. So I bought 90 degrees bends from Vibrant Performance too, but can't speak today. I bought 245s. Not sure I'm gonna use them, but still it's good to have more than you need, you know. And I have just regular elbows, just short elbows. I think it's Ace Race. I'm pretty sure it's Ace Race. And I used 4 of them already to make Y pipes, because it's gonna have on the middle, the mid pipe, it's gonna be 3 inches, just one pipe. You will see how I will make it. So I have my own idea how to make it better and make it sounds good, because UZ is not really good for sound, but it is what it is. This is only one way how we can put the fucking lift under my car. Low life. Oh, this is our helper, Mr. Hanky! Mr. Hanky! Woo! Mr. Hanky!
You want to get the video coming off the ground?
Yeah, let's do it. Ready?
Yeah, so we tried to play nice, but now the sawzall's out.
Okay guys, this is the reason why we cut flanges, because just look at this bolt, the nut, and 2 flanges. Now it's one thing, you know. You can't undo it. It's impossible. It's dead, you know. So that's why we had to cut it and weld right to the cat, the standard cat. I really wanted to take off cats, but just imagine how those studs look like on the car. So it's only one way to make exhaust system for my car. So now this is trash. Okay, of course I didn't weld second Y pipe, because I want to show you how it's right to work with stainless steel. So this is 3/4 stainless steel. So what I did, of course we cut elbows like this to make the U-pipe joint. So the thing is, first of all, you need to make this flat. We use just belt sander. I mean, I'm pretty sure like the most popular thing for every shop, because it's really cheap and easy to use. So you have to make it flat, and you have to make it 90 degrees each other, you know. Make it just, you don't have to make it 100% perfect, but so the closer it is to 90 degrees cut, then easier to build exhaust system on the car. So of course now we need to clean this inside and outside, because of I don't know what you call it in English, sorry guys, I'm still learning, like a burns inside, you know. So you need to clean it. You can use file, or you can use rotary file, something like that. Or you can do it on belt sander. I mean, outside you can clean on belt sander, but inside you have to use something to clean inside. What I have, one moment. I like when people take my tools and don't bring it back. So this thing This is really easy. So this is the burner, and you can clean it. I'm pretty sure you can use it for inside. Yeah, see? It's not that good for this type of cut because it's really easy to clean inside of tube, like here, you know. And plus, stainless steel is pretty hard. So usually I use just a rotary file because it's fast and easy, or just a belt sander. Put edge on a belt and just sand it a little bit. You don't have to make crazy bevel because it's 1.5 millimeters wall, and it's like, it's easy to weld it, you know, with good penetration without bevel. So clean it. Then when you deburr edges, you need to acetone inside and outside. It's really important. It has to be clean to weld it nicely. And of course, after, just make your joint. Usually what I do perfectly, I tuck here because I can tuck like this and I don't need purge, so I just tuck corners, and then I put plugs inside, purge it, and tuck the whole thing with back purge. That's how you make it 100% strong, you know, and you don't need to think about cracks and other stuff. So it's okay to not purge, I mean tucks, but it's much more easier to weld over them when they were purged before. So this is the ready one. I'm not sure if you can see, it has 100% penetration. Let's use my light. I hope it's gonna be visible. I hope you can see it. So should work good, shouldn't crack. So please, people, do not weld stainless steel without purging. You can tack it without purging, it's not that big of a deal, but please weld with back purge. It's really important, or you will have problems with your clients or with your own projects. If you don't want to have problems, please purge your stainless products, okay? So let's go weld it. So this is my progress for like 5 hours, I guess, but I made pipes too right here. So this is slip-ons, you can see. So, and the short pipes with O2 sensors are going to be welded.
Stuck, and I'm gonna have to tear the whole fucking travel trailer out of the car. Come on, get out of there. No, idiot, down.
Hanky!
Get out. Let's fucking. Dude.
He's stuck?
Kind of. He climbed on up my shoulder and just into the car. Get out of there. No, down. Down, dumbass. Down, get out. Alright.
Ah, little
You got it
helper.
tacked up? Ready to